Apply this oil for rock-hard firmness. 5 secrets for men's sexual health. Stop right now if you think you're weak just because of age. The brutal truth is far worse. You might be unknowingly killing your most sensitive nerve endings every day through invisible microscopic scratches that the naked eye cannot see. The numbness, inconsistent hardness, or helplessness when it's time to perform isn't the end. Don't waste your money on miracle pills if your tissue foundation is being damaged and dried out from the inside. Today, I'm going to break the silence about 5 types of liquid gold from nature. The only solution that helps restore the endothelial layer and awakens nerve endings that have been dormant. I'm not just giving you a list of names. I'm going to give you the secret formulation to turn them into weapons for restoring masculine vigor, something your doctor may never have disclosed in detail. Part 1. Why doctors don't prescribe this. Before we dive into the details of each oil, I want to answer a question many of you are wondering. If these oils are so good, why doesn't my urologist prescribe them? The answer is simple. Doctors are trained to treat disease when your body is already broken, like severe erectile dysfunction. What we're talking about here is maintenance and prevention. Imagine this. A dentist fills your cavities, but brushing your teeth daily is your job. Using natural oils is how you brush your teeth to protect your sexual health every day. Natural oils aren't just lubricants. They're food that nourishes tissue with essential vitamins and fatty acids. Here are the 5 best warriors. Oil Hasone, coconut oil, the versatile healer. Do you sometimes feel your sensitive area becoming dry, lacking elasticity, and experiencing uncomfortable itching? Especially for men with longer foreskin, maintaining hygiene and balanced moisture is truly a challenge, making you feel less confident and uncomfortable. If you let this dry and friction condition continue, that thin skin layer will be very vulnerable to damage, creating tiny scratches invisible to the naked eye. This not only causes pain during intimacy or activity, but also allows harmful bacteria to easily attack, reducing your performance and sensation of climax. You want to find a solution, but worry about chemicals in commercial products. Don't worry, the safest and most powerful solution is right in your kitchen. Pure coconut oil, what I call the versatile healer. Why coconut oil? Because it contains high amounts of lauric acid and MCTs. Lauric acid works as an extremely good natural antibacterial and antifungal shield. This is a great lifesaver for men who haven't had circumcision, keeping the intimate area always clean and reducing odor. Especially, MCT chains when absorbed create a gentle warming sensation, helping stimulate blood microcirculation immediately, bringing rosiness and vitality to little buddy. Usage instructions and dosage. Standard dosage. You only need a small amount the size of a black bean to half a teaspoon per use. Don't use too much causing stickiness. How to use. Coconut oil usually solidifies when cold, below 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Take the oil in your palm, rub evenly for 15 seconds to let body heat melt the oil completely before gently applying to the skin area needing care. Important safety notes. Choose the right type. Must buy cold-pressed and virgin coconut oil that's food grade. Absolutely do not use cosmetic, scented coconut oil. Enemy of rubber. Coconut oil will tear latex condoms. If you plan to get intimate and use protection, switch to polyurethane condoms or use water-based gel. Hygiene. After use or massage, rinse clean with warm water to avoid pore clogging. Try it today to feel the healing. From this nature, Oil #2. Sweet almond oil, the sensation restorer. Have you ever felt that touches that once made you excited now become dull, numb, as if there's an invisible barrier? You notice your body responding slowly, lacking the sharpness it once had, making intimate moments become bland and less passionate? This numbness is truly frightening. It's not just simple aging, but a sign that your nerve endings are being starved of nutrients and suffering damage from inflammation silently accumulating over the years. If you ignore it, pleasure signals will become increasingly weak, turning joyful moments into tiring obligations and gradually eroding your masculine confidence. Don't lose hope, because we have a wonderful natural solution to reverse the situation. Sweet almond oil, what I call the sensation restorer. This isn't just lubricating oil, but actually a premium nutritional meal specifically for your nerve endings. Thanks to containing abundant vitamin E, B group vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, and especially omega-3, this oil helps reduce inflammation at the cellular level and directly nourishes nerve endings. It helps restore signal pathways, awakening emotions that have been dormant. Optimal dosage and usage. Dosage. You only need about half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. This oil has a light texture, spreads very well, so you don't need to use too much. How to use. Put oil in hand, rub lightly to warm, then gently massage onto the skin area needing care. It absorbs quite quickly and doesn't cause an unpleasant greasy feeling. Important safety notes. Allergy warning. This is most important. If you're allergic to nuts, nut allergy, absolutely do not use this oil. Patch test. Before using on sensitive areas, apply a little on the inner forearm and wait 24 hours to ensure your skin fully adapts. Compatibility. Like other natural oils, almond oil will damage latex condoms. Note to choose appropriate protection if needed. Be persistent in using to feel the change when the most genuine sensations gradually return to you. Oil #3. Grapeseed oil, the blood flow enhancer. Have you ever fallen into the mind says yes but body says no situation like this? You can start intimacy fairly well, but after just a short time, the firmness and strength suddenly deflates and drops quickly. You feel like the blood pump to little buddy isn't strong enough or can't stay long enough to maintain complete lovemaking. This is an extremely discouraging experience. The problem isn't necessarily that you lack desire, but because the piping system, your blood vessels, has weakened with age. Vessel walls lacking elasticity can't hold tight the necessary blood volume to maintain peak condition. This keeps you constantly in anxious worry, afraid you'll drop the ball mid-game and disappoint your partner. To solve this problem, I want to introduce a powerful assistant for your circulatory system, grapeseed oil. I call it the blood flow enhancer. The key point lies in proanthocyanidins, an extremely powerful antioxidant compound in this oil. It works as a reinforcer, helping strengthen vessel walls and improve tissue elasticity. The result is improved blood retention ability, helping you maintain hardness longer and more stably. Especially with a texture as light as silk, this is the Hasson choice for men with oily skin or who don't like greasy feelings. Optimal dosage and usage. Dosage. Use about 1 teaspoon each time. Because this oil absorbs very quickly into skin, you may need to use slightly more than coconut or olive oil. How to use. Keep the bottle handy. During activity, if you feel the oil has absorbed, don't hesitate to reapply. This both helps maintain smoothness and continues providing nutrients for blood vessels to function. Important safety notes. Buy food grade. Go to the supermarket and choose grapeseed oil for cooking. If it's safe to eat, it's absolutely safe for your body and your partner, even during oral sex. Enemy of rubber. Reminder once more. Natural oil will degrade latex condoms. Switch to polyurethane condoms if you need contraception, disease prevention. Storage. Grapeseed oil oxidizes easily in sunlight. Keep the bottle in a dark, cool place to ensure best quality. Add this warrior to your list if your top priority is endurance and blood circulation. Oil #4. Jojoba oil. The perfect balance. Have you ever felt awkward when the sensitive area falls into a conflicted state, sometimes dry and lifeless, sometimes stuffy and uncomfortably moist from sweat? Or you have extremely sensitive skin, just applying a little unfamiliar product causes itching and red bumps, making you hesitant about using any lubricant? This imbalance feeling is very annoying. If you use oil that's too thick, you fear pore clogging, causing folliculitis. If you don't use anything, friction causes pain. Especially with aging skin, the ability to self-regulate moisture has declined, making the natural protective barrier more fragile than ever. You need something that's moisturizing enough but breathable, but can't find it? The answer to this pickiness is jojoba oil. I call it the perfect balance. There's an interesting secret. Technically, jojoba isn't an oil, but a form of liquid plant wax. Its chemical structure is identical to human sebum, natural skin oil. This means when you apply it, your body recognizes it as familiar. It allows deep absorption into the epidermis to nourish without causing pore clogging at all. More wonderfully, jojoba helps balance natural oil. If your skin is dry, it moisturizes. If your skin is secreting too much oil, it signals the body to reduce sebum secretion. Optimal dosage and usage. Dosage. Use about half a teaspoon. Because jojoba is very stable and doesn't evaporate quickly, you don't need to use too much. How to use. This is ideal oil for extended sessions because it doesn't get sticky or tacky. You can apply and leave overnight as a protective skin layer without needing to rinse immediately. Important safety notes. Most gentle. This is the Hashone choice for those with super sensitive skin because its irritation potential is almost zero. Enemy of rubber. Still the old rule. Jojoba is oil-based liquid wax, so will damage latex condoms. Use polyurethane condoms if needed. Buy right type. Look for golden, unrefined. Jojoba oil instead of clear type, bleached and lost nutrients. If you need delicate care that understands your skin best, jojoba is the true love. Oil #5. Argan oil, the liquid gold. When stepping past 50, have you noticed the skin in sensitive areas starting to become more fragile, lacking elasticity and firmness like in younger days? What's more worrying is the feeling that hardness no longer reaches maximum level, as if blood vessels inside are lazy and won't expand fully to meet your needs. This decline isn't just an aesthetic issue. When skin tissue loses elasticity, they become weak against friction. More seriously, when endothelial function, blood vessel lining, weakens, blood retention ability decreases, making it hard to maintain the most solid state. You want a premium solution to reverse this aging process, not just temporary lubrication? If you're ready to invest in quality, then argan oil is the answer. Called liquid gold of Morocco, this is the most expensive oil on the list, but I affirm it's worth every penny. Argan's power lies in ferulic acid, an extremely high vitamin E content. Ferulic acid has been proven to support endothelial function, helping blood vessels relax and expand maximally. This means supporting the erection process to occur more powerfully and naturally. Simultaneously, it helps regenerate elasticity, returning inherent resilience to aged skin. Optimal dosage and usage. Dosage. Because it's concentrated essence, you only need 3 to 5 drops per use. A small bottle can last a whole month, so it's actually very economical. How to use. This is perfect oil for nightly nourishment. Drop a few drops in hand. Warm and gently massage before sleep to let nutrients absorb deeply and repair cells overnight. Important safety notes. Quality is supreme. The market has many adulterated types. You must find 100% organic cold-pressed argan oil. Absolutely don't use argan hair care serums with fragrances. Parfum. Enemy of rubber. Like other oil brothers, argan isn't compatible with latex condoms. Note to choose appropriate protection. Storage. Because it's precious oil, keep away from direct light to preserve complete ferulic acid activity. If you want a serious investment to rejuvenate from within, argan is the most premium choice. Part 2. Critical shopping mistake. Don't buy the wrong bottle. Wait! Before you rush to the store or order online, stop for a moment. I've seen many men excited to apply this method, but make a fatal mistake right from step 1. Buying the wrong bottle. You go to the supermarket, see a bottle with argan or coconut at the cosmetics counter, and buy immediately. Very likely you're holding a hair oil bottle full of chemicals, not the pure oil we're talking about. Why is this confusion dangerous? Hair or body oils are usually mixed with silicones to create fake shine and artificial fragrances, parfum, to create pleasant scent. Imagine, your already fragile, dry, burning, sensitive area skin is being soaked with another layer of scent-making chemicals. The result at best is itching, red bumps. At worst is painful contact dermatitis. Not to mention, if you and your partner have climactic moments and want oral intimacy, the bitter taste and toxicity of chemicals will completely ruin emotions, even harm that person's health. For absolute safety, apply the golden rule I call supermarket filter. Don't go to the cosmetics section, go straight to the food section. The secret lies here. If you buy coconut oil, olive oil, or grapeseed oil type used for cooking, edible, food grade, meaning it's safe enough to put in your stomach, then it's absolutely safe for little buddy and safe for oral sex too. How to read labels to choose the right bottle. Golden keywords to find. Look for bottles marked 100% pure, cold-pressed, or extra virgin. This guarantees the oil retains nutrients and isn't adulterated. Red keywords to avoid. If you see in the ingredients list words fragrance, parfum, mineral oil, or blend, put it down immediately. That's not meant for your sensitive area. Be a smart consumer. Buy the right type. Use in the right place to ensure highest safety and effectiveness. Part 3. The 2-step lesson plan, maintenance versus performance. Many men send me questions with the same confusion. When should I apply this oil? Apply daily for nourishment or only when about to go into battle? Some even complain they applied oil but didn't see noticeable hardness changes as expected. This confusion is exactly why you're failing. If you only use oil as regular lubricant, you're wasting 80% of its benefits. Picture it this way. If you want little buddy to recover sensation after years of aging, you need a maintenance routine. But if you want it powerful immediately for lovemaking, you need an activation routine. Applying at wrong times isn't just less effective, it can be counterproductive. To achieve maximum results, you need to clearly separate these two processes. Consider this, the two-step lesson plan to master the game. Routine 1. Restorative nourishment, daily maintenance, healing and sleep. Purpose. This is when we focus on rejuvenating skin and, most importantly, restoring numbed nerve endings. Golden timing. After evening shower or before bed, skin is clean and pores are open, ready to receive nutrients. How to do it. Use a small amount of sweet almond oil or jojoba. Gently massage until oil fully absorbs into skin. Absolutely don't rinse. Let it work all night. Experts' exclusive tip. If you want to restore sensation twice as fast, apply the Power Up formula. Buy vitamin E capsules from pharmacy, puncture one capsule, and mix evenly with sweet almond oil in your palm before applying. This mixture is superfood that awakens dormant nerve endings extremely effectively. Routine 2. Performance boost. Warm and roll technique. Purpose. Optimize smoothness, increase pleasure, and support maximum hardness. Timing. 5 to 10 minutes before action. Warm and roll technique. This is the key many people forget. Step 1. Heat activation. Take about 1/2 teaspoon oil. Prioritize grapeseed or argan. Rub vigorously between both palms for 15 seconds. Oil must warm up to stimulate blood vessel dilation. Step 2. Circular massage. Don't just slickly lubricate. Use warm and roll technique. Use hand to grip fully and massage along the shaft in circular motion, slowly. This action, combined with temperature and nutrients, will powerfully boost microcirculation immediately. It's the resonance between temperature plus physical impact plus nutrients that creates the rock-hard formula you crave. And don't forget, if intimacy extends, reapply every 20 to 30 minutes to maintain peak performance. Dear friends, maintaining performance and climactic sensation after 50 isn't a matter of luck. It's the result of intelligent and scientific care. You don't need expensive therapies or pills with potential risks. Sometimes the answer lies right in the miraculous essence drops of nature. If you found today's knowledge useful and want to continue receiving practical, straightforward guidance about men's health, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications right below. Together we'll build a civilized and healthy male community. And so you don't have to hesitate one more second. Here are 2 actions you can take immediately. Action 1. Explore your kitchen or supermarket today. Check your kitchen cabinet right now. If you have coconut oil or olive oil, look at the label. If it's pure cold-pressed, virgin, cold-pressed type for cooking, congratulations, you can start tonight. If not, visit the nearest supermarket. Go straight to the food section and get a bottle. Action 2. Perform safety test. Patch test. Don't rush to apply immediately to sensitive areas. Tonight, take 1 drop of oil. Apply on inner forearm. If after 24 hours there's no redness or itching, you're completely safe to use. This is a small step but shows respect for your own body. Choose the oil most suitable for you and start the journey of reviving masculine vigor today. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video.